it's also the heart inside of me. Colors, colors all around, happiest sights to ever be found. Let's sing together, loud and proud, our colorful friends, a happy crowd. Blue is the sky, so big and so high, where little birds happily fly. It's the sea and the ocean, deep and so wide, and my favorite pair of jeans I wear with pride. Colors, colors all around, happiest sights to ever be found. Let's sing together, loud and proud, our colorful friends, a happy crowd. Yellow's the sun, so warm and so gay, it brightens up our happy day. A cute little duck, a soft fluffy chick, a tasty lemon for a refreshing lick. Colors, colors all around, happiest sights to ever be found. Let's sing together, loud and proud, our colorful friends, a happy crowd. Green is the grass under my feet, a crunchy green apple so good to eat. It's the leaves on the trees dancing in the breeze, and the friendly little frog that says, "Ribbit, please." Colors, colors all around, happiest sights to ever be found. Let's sing together, loud and proud, our colorful friends, a happy crowd. Orange is the fruit, so sweet and round, and a dancing flame without a sound. It's the sunset in the sky, way up high, a beautiful color for you and I. Purple is the grape, growing on a vine, a juicy bunch so super fine. It's a royal crown for a queen or a king, and the bloom that the gentle spring